Palestinian militants carried out an unprecedented infiltration into southern Israel. As per reports, Palestine launched dozens of rockets. Reports said that one 70-year-old woman was killed after the attack. She was critically injured when a rocket hit a building in southern Israel. The incident reportedly prompted Israel to declare a state of war following numerous infiltrations and rocket attacks from the Gaza Strip. It also urged its people to remain indoors. The Israeli military said that a number of terrorists have infiltrated into Israeli territory. Videos posted on social media showed what appeared to be uniformed gunmen inside Israeli border town of Sderot. The sound of gunfire could be heard in the videos, whose authenticity could not be immediately verified. Sounds of outgoing rockets whooshing through the air could be heard in Gaza, and sirens could be heard as far away as Tel Aviv. As the rocket attacks continued throughout southern and central Israel, millions of Israelis were instructed to stay near bomb shelters in their homes and apartment buildings. The army said that residents next to Gaza should stay in their homes due to the security incident. In a rare public statement, Mohammed Deif, the leader of Hamas's military wing, said that the armed group has launched a new military operation against Israel. Mohammed Deif said that 5,000 rockets had been fired into Israel early Saturday to begin what he called Operation Al-Aqsa Storm. Deif even urged all Palestinians to confront Israel. Deif, who has survived multiple Israeli assassination attempts, does not make public appearances. His message was reportedly delivered in a recording. The rocket launches came after weeks of heightened tensions along Israel's volatile border with Gaza and heavy fighting in the Israeli-occupied West Bank. Israel has maintained a blockade over Gaza since Hamas seized control of the territory in 2007. The bitter enemies have fought 4 wars since then. There have also been numerous rounds of smaller fighting between Israel and Hamas and other smaller militant groups based in Gaza. The blockade, which restricts the movement of people and goods in and out of Gaza, has devastated the territory's economy. Israel says that the blockade is needed to keep militant groups from building up their arsenals. The Palestinians say that the closure amounted to collective punishment. The rocket fire came during a period of heavy fighting in the West Bank, where nearly 200 Palestinians have been killed in Israel military raids this year. Israel says the raids are aimed at militants, but stone-throwing protesters and people uninvolved in the violence have also been killed. Palestinian attacks on Israeli targets have killed over 30 people. The tensions have also spread to Gaza, where Hamas-linked activists held violent demonstrations along the Israeli border in recent weeks. Those demonstrations were halted in late September after international mediation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.